We're now going to look at these set of 3 triangles and decide whether they are similar or not. Usually when you're dealing with triangles, they're labeled. So let's name these 3 triangles. So let's call this one triangle ABC. This triangle X, Y, and Z. And this final triangle P, I, G. So we have these 3 triangles and we want to know if they're similar. We're only given angles. We need to remember that if 2 of the angles match, then they are considered to be similar triangles. When I look at these 3 triangles, none of the angles seem to match right away. But we have to remember that we can solve for a third triangle on a triangle because all triangles add up to 180 degrees. So in triangle ABC, to solve for this unknown angle here, we can go 180 minus 60, so that's 120, minus 55 will give us 65 degrees. So this angle in here is 65 degrees. Now, just knowing that, I can look at triangle ABC and triangle GPI here and realize that 60 degrees here and 65 degrees here matches with these 2 angles on the first triangle. Now remember, when you're labeling things are similar, you actually have to follow along with the correct angles. So looking at this, B matches with P because they're both 60 degrees, and C is 65 degrees, just like I here. So to say that these 2 triangles are similar, if I write triangle ABC, I have to follow along, and I'm going to make this assumption that angle G is 55 degrees, but we can solve for that by going 180 minus 60, that's 120, minus 65, that gives us 55 degrees. So angle G is 55 degrees, which matches up with angle A. So triangle ABC is similar with triangle GP, because B and P are 60, and then C is 65, and so is I. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle GPI. So right now we have proven that 2 triangles are similar, but we want to prove all 3 are similar. Well, just looking at this middle triangle, XYZ, it is similar to triangle PIG because we have this 65 degrees here matching with this 65 degrees, and this 55 degrees matching with this top 55 degrees. Okay? Notice it also matches up with triangle ABC. 65 degrees in C, Y, and I, and 55 degrees in A, Z, and G. So we now can add to my statement up top here that not only is triangle ABC similar to triangle GPI, it is also similar to that middle third triangle, and we have to start with the angle that's 55 degrees, which is Z, and then move on to the angle that's 60 degrees. That one is X here. We can do the quick 180 minus 55 minus 66 to get a total of 60 degrees. Okay. So angle X matches with P and B, and angle Y matches with C and I because they're all 65 degrees. So we've now made a statement where all three triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle GPI, which is similar to triangle ZXY. And the reason why they're similar, because at least two of their angles are equal, which really means all three angles are equal, because you can do the 180 minus 2 angles to find that third angle in a triangle.